My lines don't get close, they get both. Almost like Rick Ross in his prime of the rhymes. Now he better off dying. My rhymes ain't lying, I speak the truth. I belong in the booth, I'm about to eat your fruit. When I'm done, I take your girl to your room. I fucked her like a goon, she ain't feeling you. My noose gets tighter by tubes. Comes to the flu, I'm sick. I got the time bomb and it's only going to tick. I get these haters off me with the flick like the Bic. I'm so slick, I'm swerving in that Eclipse. Go snitch, I'm pulling out the Smith and Wesson just to teach you a lesson. Don't fuck with the nigga cause these bullets ain't resting. Go and test it. I bet I knock your head from the east to the west then, cause we the best, man. Rap bitches, rap snitches. I said rap bitches, rap snitches. I catch one on my block, these bullets already itching. Got the chopper in the car with names on the bullets and stitching. So go keep snitching, cause I got more choppers than Rick's Kitchen. My life's in story mode, non-fiction. All these snitching bitches got their lives on fiction. I'm on a mission to get these haters dead, no friction.